Kingdom of Heaven with Getty Town, and we followed the procedure at Getty Town. If you went to Getty Town and you followed the procedure, you showed up at Getty Town the way folks show up at church, you get fired. Now you have to decide where you are on that. I'm suggesting to you that folks that don't come to Bible study and folks that don't go to Sunday school, at least one of those, and just come to church, don't have a frame of reference, don't have a very strong frame of reference. And they may be believers, they may believe God, but when people do not come to Bible study, do not have a systematic study of the Word, and they don't go to Sunday school, and when they give you an answer, and when you talk to them, and when you ask them to pray for you, they can only refer to their carnal mind because they ain't got nothing else to refer to.